Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're having a great day today. So for today's video, I'll be sharing some new dies that I received from scrapdivadesigns, and this is the shop information here. So scrapdivadesigns.com, and there's her Instagram and YouTube where you can find all of these fun dies. And I did receive them a couple weeks ago now, but I just got busy like cutting in to paper with these, and I had so much fun. So I do have some projects to share too. So this one is the Christmas word dies, and I'll just tell you what words are included. So you get joy, jingle, bells, Santa, and Merry Christmas. And this set, really cute. And this one, I couldn't wait to play with. It's the Candy Cane Memorydex card die set, and it also can be used just to make a shaker ornament. It doesn't have to be a shaker, but really fun set. And it also comes with the word jolly and a little piece for the top of the ornament. So already messed up the packaging on that one. And this one's really fun. It's a basic hang set. And this one here, I used it really cute to add just some little charms and dangles to a project. So I love that one. And you can make some tags. And I think this is a tear strip here. And another little tear strip there. Some notch dies there, and this one can be used with the disc binding system. At least it looks like that. I haven't tried this one out, but really cute. Lots of options with that. And then I was so happy to get this one. So fun. It's the Ghost mini album die set from her shop, and it's been a lot of fun to work with. I love the size on this and just the design. So cute. It's just a really cute little ghost design. And then we've got the mini envelope die set here. Again, it comes together really quick. I like this, how it comes with the backing, and then this piece here is separate, so it makes it really easy to use coordinating pattern papers. And I thought it was just a really cute design for the mini envelopes for that one. And then these I haven't used, but I can't wait to try these out. It's the, I think these are peppermint or candy cane letters. And like I said, I'll be cutting into these soon. So this is a fun little alphabet set. And then here's another like script word dies. Christmas, so you get Noel, hope, love, Christmas, joy, Santa, believe, peace, and rejoice. So love that. Love those words. So some of them are faith-based. And so those are the dies, and I'll go ahead and share some of the projects that I made. So I cut out the Christmas words here. So you get Santa. Here's bells, believe, joy, bright. I don't know if I mentioned that one. And then here's Merry Christmas and jingle for jingle bells. So how cute are those? I love word dies. Those are some of my favorites. And then here's the ghost. I made 3 different little ghosts, and I was gonna do a mini album, but now I think I'm gonna do I'm gonna make a little box with this one. I think it's so cute for my son. So I'm gonna use the 3D cake set and create a little box for this little ghost here. And I used some of the dies that it comes with can be used. This one I used it as a mouth, like here. And then I thought it also looked like little arms, if you want to give your little ghost some arms to hold up a banner or a little trick-or-treat pail or something. So this is the little boy version, and I added, I also used her, I think the flag banner die set here, and I backed it with some ribbon. And here's the Halloween script words too. This one says scary. Added some little spiders and I just thought it's a cute little boy one, I thought. So I have that one set aside for my son, and I love this one. Love the pink and her little expression. And then I used one of her, I think it's the star bow die set, the smaller one, to create this little bow here. And this one I plan to be making into a mini album with some disc binding, I think, on the side. So I'll have to cut a few more of the pages for this one, but so cute. Love that. And then here's another little girl ghost, and it comes with this bow die set too. So I just popped it up and double layered it, added a little pumpkin resin there, and that's from Target. And then just her cute little face there. So love these little ghost mini album set. And then this one I don't think I shared. I used the pumpkin girl pumpkin face that I got in the last, not this time around, but last time I received dies from Erica. So I made a little card with this, and the telephone die set too, which is available in our shop still, I think. And then I had this bow that I had created, so I just added a little bow with a little spider charm, some bling, and then it opens up to say "Hey Boo." And this is another sentiment from our shop, so I thought that was cute for a little card. And then here is a couple of examples using the candy cane Memorydex die set. So this one I just did in like traditional Christmas colors, added some little charms up here, a jingle bell and a candy cane. And I did make a shaker using tulle, and that's the splatter tool. And here's the word jolly that it comes with. And then I just used a punch from my stash to make the little like pine needles here off to the side, added a little bow and a snowflake. So I thought that was just really cute and fun. I love the design on that, and I made a pink version too, so added some more little charms here and a jingle bell. And the paper collection on this is the Cookies for Kringle from Fancy Pants Designs. So I love this paper collection for Christmas. So for this one, I did not make it into a shaker, but I did add just like acrylic, not acrylic, oh gosh, what's this called? Acetate, I'm sorry. So I added a layer of acetate for the base, and then I topped it with the splatter tool, and I thought it looked kind of like snow. So I did not add shakers to this one, and then I just added some snowflakes, a little bit of the diamond dots to the centers there, and just some of the ephemera from the paper collection. So I love this one too. And here's where I used the basic hang set, and it cuts out this little strip here where you can hang little charms and dangles. So I just love that. Makes me want to add charms and dangles to everything. So, and then this is one of the mini envelopes, the larger one. And I bought a couple extra of these Best Witches dies from Allie. So I figured I could use this little envelope to gift a couple of those out. And just cut a little bat with another die from my stash and did some stitching on that, and then added some bling. So I think it's really cute, a cute little way to gift something. And I love the charms on this one, so cute. And then I also made a couple of projects using the Santa bow die set, which I got not this time around, but the time before, and I had not used it. So I made a couple of these little Santa bows, and they're just so fun, and they look so cute on a project. So that's an extra one I made. And here's the larger one, and I just decorated some glassine bags, added some pattern paper, and then some stitching, a little pom-pom trim, and then used the Jolly Word die from the ornament Memorydex card. And here's my little bow. And then these little stars that shoot out are from the star bow die that's in her shop too. A little peppermint for the center there, and pearl. And I think this would be a cute way to give like some cookies or some baked goods for Christmas. And then here's the mini one in a smaller glassine envelope and more in the pinks, but pretty much the same. So I thought these were so cute. Had fun with those. And then I made a couple of mini envelopes using the mini envelope die set. So here's one of the larger ones, and I added the word Mary, some splatter tool, and just some ephemera tucked in. And I know I want to use these on a layout, so I haven't done a layout in a while, so I think these would be cute for a layout. And this is the other large one. It says Christmas with some more ephemera tucked in. And then here's the smaller one. And I just tucked in a couple little candy canes, which I haven't glued down. I'm not sure until, I put it on a project if I'm going to glue these down or add a little something else in there. You could also add journaling. And again, just some splatter tool and ephemera and a little acrylic snowflake there. So there's the small one. And then here's another small one with some die cuts layered there. So these are so cute. Really, really fun dies this time around. Oh, and then the little ghost, it also comes with the word spooky. So I did cut these out. I might use them once I, play with these a little bit more. So those are the projects I created, and I'll be back to share a few more projects soon. So thank you for stopping by my channel. I hope you're having fun crafting for Halloween and Christmas, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.